Welcome back to the garage and welcome to Shed Tune. Thought today we'd talk about replating cylinders, because a lot of you have got occasional plated cylinders, myself included, and if you've been following the cheap TS1 build, I had to send the TS1 off to one of the companies. Apparently there's two, Lancourts and Aptec. So I chose Lancourts and I thought I'd make a little video about it. So I'll insert a clip here of Chalky tuning my barrel, and then if I can find a bit, I'll insert a bit about the state of the barrel and why it needs replating. This is another TS1 barrel that's going to go on an engine and that we're going to build, and I'm fortunate enough that Chalky is going to tune it for me. Got to go off to be plated. As you can see, there's some areas in there that aren't too clever. So as I mentioned, the cylinder needs replating on the TS1, so I've got to send it somewhere, and I've been doing a bit of Googling and I've come up with Lancourts advanced cylinder technology. Now I don't know a lot about Lancourts, so I did try and find them on YouTube and they don't appear to have a lot of stuff, but having spoken to lots of people in the industry, these seem to be the place to go. So apparently you click on cylinder repairs, and then go to sending cylinder. Basically you strip everything off, you don't need anything apart from the bare cylinder whatsoever. You download a form, which I'll click on that in a minute. It gives you packaging information. There you go, look, tells you what to do, what not to do. When you are packing the cylinder, use a box with plenty of big enough, blah 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 blah. If you're including a piston, don't put it into the bore because the bore is probably damaged anyway. With your do not enclose rings, circlips or gudgeon pins. Okay, and then you send it to Lancourt in Weston-super-Mare. Blah 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 blah. If you're outside the UK, etc etc. I'll put a link in the description to all of this, so that obviously if you need to get your form done, you can get it done no problem at all. Right, download form. Allow. Okay, so we've downloaded the form. Let's have a look at that. Or not. There we go. Oops. So let's have a look here. Let's get open as big as we can. View. Full screen. Okay. Have you dealt with blah blah blah? No. Are you dealing much to insert? No. Are you a new customer? How do you find about it? Well, Google. Then blah blah blah. Normal sort of stuff. Remove parts from cylinder. Blah blah. Make a model, year, work to be performed, board, blah 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 blah. Please supply. Check each item. Right, okay. Background. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward. So you just fill the form in, which is pretty standard. And then I guess package it up, send it off to Lancourt, and then they'll send it back. Please note, any extra work, this is blah 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 blah. Please. Okay, I think that's all you need to know. I wonder how long it takes to do. Repair process, turnaround time. Here we go. Our turnaround time. We'll try to turn around 15 to 20 business days. As you watch, well, as I record this. Okay, I suppose the next thing to do is package it up and get it sent off. Today the courier delivered the package back to me, and I've had a quick look, and I thought I'd show you guys how they send it back once it's been replated. So here we go, looking inside. And straight away what struck me was the fact that they've used expanded foam to make sure that nothing can move. And I was really impressed. They've also put a piece of cardboard over the spigot so that can't get damaged either. Piston, nicely wrapped so that can't get damaged. I'll just put that over there for the minute. And then the barrel itself, I'm guessing, wow, I'm guessing they do that expanding foam when they put it in, but it's a bloody good idea because it cannot move. Okay, so it's out, and as you expect, it's immaculate. Thoroughly cleaned from head to toe. Yes, and as you can see inside, or maybe you can't, let's put it over here a bit. The plating is really good, and it looks like they've even chamfered the edge of the ports just to take that sharp edge off of everything. Well, there you go. So I don't know what the process is, unfortunately, but that cost me, including postage, packaging and all the rest of it, £198, and that's a fantastic job. I'm really pleased with it. A short video this one, but if you need your barrel replating, well, you could do worse than Lancourts. For me, the service has been superb. The quality looks really good. It's not been overpriced. Well, I don't think it is. And I've got virtually, well, a brand new TS1 barrel again. This is going on the cheap TS1 build, so if you've been following along that video, keep an eye out, because I think the next video after this one will be the cheap TS1 completion with all the pricing and everything else. If you're new to our channel, then please give it a like, a subscribe. You'll find me and Dom on it all the time doing scooter related stuff. Even Vespers, mainly Lambrettas, because we know what we're doing with those, but you never know, there might be more stuff coming. That's about it really, so don't forget, give it a thumbs up, it really helps the channel, a like, a subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.